Hey guys and gals, today we're going to show you what comes in the box of a Koni yellow spec rear shock for the BMW E30. So here's the box as it came in. Here's the spec number that we are using for the E30, and we'll go ahead and see what's in the box. Right, so you can see here's what comes in the box. You have the shock itself, you have your instructions, and a little bag here. So let's see what's in the bag. So here's everything unboxed and unbagged. You can see in the bag we have further instructions, hardware kit, our Koni knob, and more paperwork. Here's a close-up on the instructions if you want to pause it and have a look. Go to the flip side. And once again, the back side of those instructions, feel free to pause the video. So that is what comes in the box when you order a brand new Koni Yellow Sport Shock. Check us out online at Gearheadgirl69.com or GHG69.com, or follow us on Instagram at Gearheadgirl69.